finally, I'm nearly ready. Do a quick intro because I've already had a technical malfunction on the camera. I've had to switch it around. Got no mic in my helmet, so the audio is probably going to be different. Anyway, got some new bars. I've got some RENTHAL FATBAR 704 or 705 Enduros. I just couldn't get on with the old ones, especially in the technical kind of areas. It was just not enough clearance on my knees. And I was noticing I was so close to catching like the brake lever bolt bracket, and that hurts when you do that. If you've done it before, you know what I mean. I also had to, thought I'd better upgrade it. That just kept bending. Hopefully this will be a better solution. And we changed the chain guide because the old one was just perished. Also, I noticed that one of my rear brake pads was practically worn out. It was on metal. This bike's got 23.9 hours now, and that was the original brake pad. And what else have I done? That is it. It needed a few stitches here and there just to keep all the plastics together because they just keep getting ripped off with the abuse it gets. My main objective is, apart from testing out the bars and some new parts, are trails. I've cut quite a few good new trails in. Just want to test them out, bed them out, christen them in, see what and how they go, if I need to alter anything or make any changes. But I've got quite a few. I'm really impressed with some of them, but in this winter weather, trying to get up something like that could be quite difficult, especially as it's never been ridden and it's all kind of loose and just, you know, you got all these twigs and it just needs a good ride. But the weather stops a lot of that. Got a good hill climb now going up the back there over some badger holes. You're going to have good clutch control because if you give it flat out you'll be in the hole, so you're going to have to clutch it and have some sort of control around the top area. I've also made a really nice long stretch down the back, but getting up there, I don't know whether I can do it. It should be all right, but when the ground's really wet, you never know. And there's a few stones which could stop me. But anyway, I'm a little bit buzzing to try these new trails, and that's my main objective today. Get out and ride whilst you can. Right, I just thought I'd pull over because I'm not sure you can hear my audio, but as you can see, the trails are running fine. This is my first time over them. It's going to be a bit slow and a bit wary of them because you just don't know how they're going to react or throw you or anything like that. But I think they're running like a dream. I'm absolutely enjoying them and I can't wait to get my mates up here. And riding in this, you can obviously see it's very slippy because we've had a lot of rain and it's sat on the top surface. It's great fun when you're slipping and sliding. It really brings on your riding. It's completely different to riding in the summer where everything's bone dry and you can just ride up anything, anywhere. In the winter, you've really got to have a bit of technique and control, else you're not going to get very far. That's my opinion anyway. But I'm loving this slipping and sliding. I really like these trails. I can't wait. That's another upkeep, but look at that rut I've made so the bike can hopefully get some. I don't think I should try it, but I think I'm gonna. I know it's going to look nothing on the GoPro, but that is again going to be so loose. You've got the fence at the top. I don't know whether I should try it or not. Jesus, that worked really well. Right, 3 minutes. Wow, this isn't where you want to be stuck. That's hard work controlling your bike on those slopes. That sort of went better than I imagined, so I'm going to try it again. Yes, Johnny. Didn't even stop. And that's it. I'm going to call it a day there. I'm really happy with the way the trails ran. I've had good fun. I've learnt a lot. I know how these trails react now. I've done most of them both ways, a few different directions, different speeds, and I'm really happy with them. They fit in so well. The thing is, with all these different trails and sections, you just got to interconnect everything as you're riding, use your initiative, think a little bit ahead, and you can make so many different combinations. It's unbelievable. That's what I love about this place. It's like a fun Enduro woods Funduro woods. That's what we're going to call it. It's just fun and like enduro. But as always, I hope you enjoyed this upload. Thanks for watching the Motor Machines channel. We really appreciate that, and maybe we should see you in the future. Boom.